and bid out work to correct the collapsed underground pipe at the Moore Elementary Center, and to email all board members with the quotes as soon as possible, so that the board president can call a special meeting to approve the repair work to stop the water from coming into the Moore Elementary Center. I make the motion.
Motion by Mr. Smith.
Second.
Second by Mr. Ellis.
Discussion. Bill, didn't you say that that water was no longer there, or was no longer happening?
that's
What
That was
pipe
Marty
is referring
says.
to the area outside, back of the multi-purpose room. At one time, the water backed up out of the drains and came into the gym area. It hasn't done that since the initial occurrence. And as again, as I stated up there, why that hasn't happened again, if the conditions haven't made it right, but there is an issue out there at the Nora. We had the camera in there. That was part of the original presentation that we did, where we showed you the roots and the collapse of the pipe as well at the Nora, which has caused some issues as well with, there's a culvert on the side of the building where that pipe has really became an issue. And it's caused the bottom of that culvert to kind of drop out. Apparently the water must be washing away the soil on the inside.
Is that what this is?
What's that pipe?
Is that what this motion is? Is that place where the culvert's having a
I'm
problem?
assuming that they were referring to the sanitary line on the south side of the building.
What size pipe is that?
I want to say it's a 6-inch
How deep?
terracotta pipe. The depth is something we're going to have to look into. When we had,
How deep's the catch basin?
the catch basin is probably 2 feet, maybe 32 inches.
So do you know that this is an issue of a collapsed pipe and that's what's causing this water?
Well,
Because that's what this
How long
motion
is
is
this
for,
been an
a
issue?
collapsed pipe.
Yeah.
You know that that's the problem.
Well, that's why I asked if that's what
Well,
this motion is actually for.
unfortunately, I can't answer that because I can't really.
So we don't know what the problem is, but you're gonna develop specific specifications to do this work.
What are you gonna do, put a camera down there or look or something?
He said, I asked him, is that the problem? He said, no. Or you
Well,
don't
no,
know.
I'm not saying, I don't know.
You don't know.
Did you put a camera in there and see that it's collapsed?
There's roof.
There is areas.
And there's roof.
All right,
Well, let
so
him answer.
I'm asking, is this the problem with the water? Mary Ann
As far
asked
as
the
that
same
culvert goes, that is speculation because of the area where it's at.
So we're gonna do this on speculation.
No, he's not doing it on speculation. You've got a catch basin that the bottom's falling out of. It needs repairs. You've got a pipe that they put a camera down. They've got a pipe that they put a camera down and it's collapsed.
It says to fix an
That's not
underground
what the
pipe.
motion says,
It
Bob.
does not say nothing about catch basin or anything like that. If it's not, is this, how long has this been going on?
We discovered it 8 months ago. We made repairs to it, which had to put concrete in, so we kind of filled the void where the gap was.
So why is it necessary now?
Because the water's back up into the gym.
Causing local issues.
No, it's just that
You said about
He said it hasn't done
fix
it.
this.
That pipe goes into this line and it hasn't done it because either you haven't had the volume of water.
This is gonna be big bucks. You're gonna backhoe out there 6-inch pipe, you don't know what determined, it's gonna be big bucks.
It's,
Tell us when they get some things back to us.
that's why he's developing a scope of work and they'll look at it and come back with the price.
You got water through that building. Just get the specs and come back and tell us what you do. I don't understand.
Do we need a motion?
We've already made the motion, it's been seconded and voted upon.
No, it hasn't been.
No, we gotta vote. Call roll.
Mr. Roberts.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Snyder. Roll call. Mr. Carroll.
Now,
Mr. Ellis.
Yes.
Mr. Clement.
Yes.
Mr. Kennedy. Mr. Morrow.
Yes.
Mr. Smith.
Yes.